The organization we're with today is called the Texas Ramp Project. Through the United Way Day of Caring, we started working with the Texas Ramp Project. It provides opportunities for us to help our employees, help our citizens, to show our citizens that it's not just lip service, that we provide with sweat equity and invest in our community.
Last year, we built 162 ramps. When we get done this weekend, we'll have 175 in the books for this year. We never charge a client for a ramp. No matter whether it's 6 foot long or 60 foot long, we do not charge the client at all. We rely strictly on donations from folks like Pantex. And now with the partnership with the employees coming out and help, we can build more ramps than we could before because now we got more volunteers.
Originally, I was a little nervous because this isn't something I do regularly, like build, things and, deal with lumber. But everyone is just willing to show you, teach you, be patient with you while you're trying to figure it out. Everyone is so interested in helping, and they view volunteering in such a positive mindset, and they really encourage everyone to do something to help. And so that alone made me feel excited to be a part of it.
Pantex, we probably have the very best relationship with our community of all of the nuclear security enterprise sites, and it's something that we're very proud of. We want to make sure our citizens know how much we appreciate them and appreciate their support for our important mission.
So I had to have back surgery to remove those 9 tumors from my back. It's kind of challenging and hard to get me in and out of a wheelchair. And that's why this ramp was very, very important to us. It would make it easier to go and get out and go out and do things with my family and enjoy some kind of sense of normalcy in my life. They came out here on a Saturday and they actually did it within 45 minutes. It was just mind-blowing and amazing. Ever since that's been there, it's changed my life because I've been able to actually get in my wheelchair, go outside and sit outside and enjoy the weather and watch my daughter. I don't have to struggle getting in and out of the house anymore. This has just made my life so much easier.
One of our objectives as PXD is Pantex citizenship, right? And that's not only helping in the community, but it's also how do we grow and mature and provide development opportunities for our employees. We want to encourage our employees to be even more involved in the community. It's affording opportunities for us to think about how can we give in ways maybe that we haven't thought about before.
Not only does Pantex donate, but they give their time to this organization, which is really important. It shows that, I care about this in a way that I'm willing to give up, my personal time. It really sets a great example for the community that it's okay to give up a few hours, on a Friday to just lend a helping hand.
For the last 3 years in a row, we've been a recipient of the Pantex Community Development Grant. Each time we've been given $10,000. I just want to say thanks to the Pantex organization, thanks to the Pantex employees that have come out to volunteer for us. It means the world to us to be able to have this kind of a partnership because that would mean more folks that we can serve in the Panhandle.
Let's do it.
You don't see the tears and you don't see the smiles that when y'all leave of how much it's a game changer for these things for y'all to come out and do it. And we are really, really appreciative. We are so grateful and we are so, humbled that we were chosen to be part of this program. And I just want to say thank you from me, my daughter, my wife. Thank you for all that you do and for all the families in the future that you're going to help. And just know that you are making life-changing experiences in people's lives.